Me and my brother, we are in Sonipat, which is 40 kilometers north of New Delhi. And this is the place where my dad is staying for last 8 years. So we came to see him because he went a heart operation. Right now, my brother and me are going to a tuition center, which is happening in a village by a small family, which is conducting a tuition center. And so we are going to visit that place, see the opportunity, and in some way, through Seed 100 or through our finance, we can support that small center. So let's go on this journey. It's 11 kilometers from here and it's going to take 25 minutes because of the traffic. We have reached and we are waiting for Pinku Soni. Now Pinku Soni is the brother who helped us during the migrant crisis.
ये हो गया लोग का भार।
We are here in Pinku Soni's house and we met around 20 to 25 children from standard 1 to 10. So these kids are children of migrant workers who are here in Sonipat, and mostly from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and stuff like that. Very bad in economical condition, and this family is providing them tuition in the evening so that it will help them with their education in the school. We were talking to one particular girl and we asked them, at what age do you guys get married? And there is a girl who is 15 years old, like 14 going to 15, and their parents is already planning their marriage in December. So I was talking to one girl and I was like, you are going to finish your 10th standard and 12th standard by the time you are 14 or 15 years old, and then what will happen? Will you go to college or will they get you married? And I asked her, what is that you want? And she was like, I want to study college, obviously, and want to be independent. But then this is the condition of the family. They want to get rid of or make their girls settle faster so that they are not burdened to them. And personally, I feel that these are the society or these are the communities that we need to visit more and try to invest our time, money and care and try to find out what their exact issue is, so that we can help them with their education, we can help them as a society and as a community, so that they grow and they become a responsible citizen like every other people. My father, whenever he travels in a flight or train, he's always 4 hours early. And it's 11 o'clock and my flight is at 1 o'clock. I bought a new chappal and my mom made me lemon rice for lunch.